Guys, we're heading to 4th floor. So wait for today's video. Dapat kasi yung event namin sa baba. Dahil nga daw maulan, kaya akit kami ng 4th floor. So nasa 2nd floor na tayo. Hey guys, we are here at St. Jude College, Dasmariñas, Cavite. So now we're setting up. Medyo maulan. Kaya we're so excited. So we have 200 packs for today. So samahan nyo kami mag-set up. Kaya tara, let's go mga katiski! Event namin for today's video sa 4th floor. So akit kami ng 4th floor. 4th floor yard. Ayun na yung magbabla. Are you ready?
Yeah.
Our adventure text here! Guys, we're heading to 4th floor. So wait for today's video. Dapat kasi yung event namin sa baba. Dahil nga daw maulan, kaya akit kami ng 4th floor. So nasa 2nd floor na tayo. O diba kabog? Tapos, ang dami namin gamit. Isa pa? Isa pa guys. So 3rd floor pa lang oh. So now we're in the 4th floor. So guys, nandito na kami sa 4th floor. So now we're trying to figure out saan kayo magsaset up. I think here. We're gonna start setting up here at the 4th floor. And then this is the venue. St. Jude College. I'm so excited guys. So finally we're done. So yeah, bababa naman tayo. So sila na bumaba ng gamit. So sakto, natapos din yung ulan. So tapos din yung event namin for today's video guys. So naubos din yung photo. So nakakatuwa kasi wala na kami for take out kasi lahat sila nag-take out, nag-share ng lahat. Kaya guys, thank you so much for supporting. So, andito kami ngayon sa St. Jude College, Dasmariñas, Cavite Corporation. Kaya, whatever you choose to do,
Happiness
is homemade. Thank you for watching. Bye! Wow.
Ulan. Asa ulan, sir?
Umuula ka na! Umuula pa! Umuula ka na bakla!
We'll start putting our things inside.